In this presentation, you will discover 8 tips to become an inspiring leader. Based on research, here are 8 essential tips to become an inspiring leader. Be authentic. An inspiring leader must be able to show certain vulnerability and authenticity to others. He is not afraid to admit that he doesn't know everything or might have made a mistake. When you are vulnerable, you are increasing your chance of connecting with others and inspire them also to be a leader, even if they don't have it all together. Don't try to be infallible. Be humble. You will be all the more appreciated for your authenticity. Be a good listener and observer. Inspiring leaders know how to read a room or a person's state. Understanding and identifying changes in the environment is necessary, and you can do so by observing and listening to people who are interacting with you or in a group. It is therefore essential to know how to read between the lines, but above all, not hesitate to go in search of information to avoid certain tensions. Be respectful. Self-respect is essential to get respect from others. It may seem pretty obvious, but it's not that simple. Pay attention to the respect you have for yourself, to take care of yourself, to inspire respect in others. Be aware of yourself. Being aware of your communication style, your assets, but also of what is difficult for you, of your limits, helps you to know yourself better and to remain vigilant in the way you interact with others. Be a role model. To be a good role model, you need to be aware of yourself. Being aware of your communication style, your assets, but also of what is difficult for you, of your limits, help you to know yourself better, and to remain vigilant in the way you interact with others. Delegate, congratulate, coaches your team. The more you will know yourself, the more you will inspire others also to be self-aware and become leaders of their life. Be trustworthy. Trust is not something that you can get overnight. It is built over time through consistency and authenticity. Creating the conditions for trust is not limited to what you say, but more to what you do. Everyone knows that actions and behaviors speak louder than words and writing. It is also important to be transparent and to respect the individual, and the work is done. Be a teacher and support others' growth. An inspiring leader will be the one who will do everything possible to help others progress and be a better version of themselves. Find ways to teach others new skills or support them in their growth. Be courageous. A great leader does not give up at the first difficulty encountered. He accepts challenges as opportunities for growth and knows that the path to a goal is not a long, calm river. In the face of adversity, the leader must sharpen up, show even more determination to reach a goal, and must have learned from his mistakes. To be an inspiring leader, show your courage, your determination, and your perseverance. Be passionate. Passion and enthusiasm are contagious, but so are boredom, frustration, and negative energies. No one wants to be around bored people. Do uninteresting tasks or work reluctantly. On the contrary, being motivated or interested in what we do motivates others and makes us want to surpass each other. True leaders are passionate about something and thrive in it. They seek to share their positive energy with those around them.